What a day in the markets today. The Dow and S&P 500 hit record highs. There's so much momentum in this market. Maybe I wasn't bullish enough. Investor and market researcher Tom Lee actually said that. Tom Lee was optimistic throughout year end, but he thought October would be weak due to seasonal activity because historically October is pretty weak in an election season. However, Tom Lee is saying maybe he wasn't bullish enough. And I kind of agree with that, especially because there's a lot of money in the sidelines trying to chase this rally, and a lot of investors are having FOMO, and a lot of money managers want to window dress their holdings, and they don't want to be left behind, and they don't want their clients to be left behind this rally because they want to keep their jobs. Obviously, they want to have good performance. So a lot of money that's sitting on the sidelines in money market funds, there's about $6 trillion in money market funds that is yielding about 4 to 5%. Those investors and those money managers are getting FOMO, want to chase these strong stock market returns, especially seeing that the Dow and S&P 500 are hitting record highs. NVIDIA just hit a record high. We're seeing so much demand for NVIDIA's AI GPU chips. The big tech companies known as the hyperscalers, Microsoft, Google, Meta, are trying to do whatever they can and even Tesla are trying to do whatever they can to get their hands on these chips. There's so much demand, and it's hard for Jensen Huang and NVIDIA to keep up with that supply. No wonder NVIDIA hit record highs. And in a podcast this weekend, Jensen Huang said that inference for NVIDIA could grow almost a million X to a billion X from here. So that's very important to show you that this is really the fourth industrial revolution. Bitcoin also did very well today. Bitcoin shot up about 4% and is now sitting at about 66,000. Ethereum is also about 2,600. Let's hope that Bitcoin and Ethereum jump and trade above this range from about 50,000 to 70,000 that we've saw for the past 6 months. Maybe this is the beginning of that pump. Obviously, we have to see, but what we saw today in terms of the crypto rally was pretty encouraging. And before I forget, this bull market turned two recently, and historically, well, first of all, the bull market is far from over, according to Ryan Dietrich and Carson Research. Normally, bull markets last 5.5 years and are up 191%. This bull market's up 62.6% and is only 2 years. So we have a lot more time. We have about 3.5 more years of time and more than 3x the gains from here. So I'm pretty optimistic, especially I'm optimistic with small and mid-cap stocks. I think they'll do very well into year end. But either way, the bull market's too, and don't fight the tape. Don't fight the trend. I think this market could go a lot higher from here. Obviously, there could be risks, one-off of events and shocks like a geopolitical event, especially if tensions in the Middle East escalate again. But if that doesn't happen and this trend continues, I expect much further highs. But yes, we do have to watch the geopolitical situation right now because that, if anything, could be the biggest risk and shock to this market.